Okay, so here I've got the demo company on the app here. So I'm going to go through sort of what to look for and what you can do to obviously help your company when it comes to putting sales and purchases on, seeing your profits, seeing reports, and yeah, we'll go from there. So this is the dashboard. When you open up the app, this is what it shows. Obviously, I'm using the demo company here, so it's all just made up figures. We've got the overall cash balance. We've got your bank accounts here. Now, the bank accounts, you can have as many bank accounts as you want, really. Obviously, if you've got a main bank account and a savings one, your main bank account, you'll see the majority of the transactions going out. If we go into the main bank account here, it shows all the different transactions that are happening, the dates, the amounts, and who they're going to or who they're coming from. So here, for example, at the top, we've got Central City parking. You're parking up near, let's say like a cafe, you're going for a meeting with a client, you want to put it in as travel. What you do is you click create new. It gives you a sort of guide or a suggestion. The AI on Xero is quite good. So it gives you a suggestion of what the company is called. So here's Central City Parking. Sometimes it will be shown as this, and you would have to then type in Central City Parking, add it as a new contact. And that's it. From then onwards, if you type in, say, CEN, it will come up as a suggestion straight away. What was it for? You'd say, okay, this was for travel. In this case on here, we've got parking, because we go to when we categorize, that's when we go to travel. It's national, it's not in a foreign country. Depending on whether you're VAT registered or not, have a look at your receipt from the parking company if it has VAT or if it doesn't. Got to be careful not to put VAT on something that does not have VAT. You don't want to be making the tax man unhappy. So we'll go no VAT for the time being. We'll use it as if it was a company that's not VAT registered. Click save. Now that has now been coded to travel. So if we were to go to the profit and loss, and we were to have a look at the specific date, I think that transaction was in February. We can see with the hypothetical, obviously with the demo company, the turnover and whatnot. So on the mobile app, it is limited. It's not quite as good as the web app. The Xero web app, you can look at your reports very quick and very easily, your profit and loss, your balance sheet, your trial balance, who you owe, who owes you. It's very useful, it's very easy. But just for the little things, the day-to-day, you want to check how everything's going, how many transactions you've got to reconcile, how your banks are looking, how the outstanding invoices and bills are looking. You can go onto the mobile app and just have a look at the dashboard. It could be very useful. You can also add sales and purchases, bills and invoices on the mobile app using the plus button top right, creating the invoice, and then you add in the information in there. And same again as the purchases, you click the add button, you've got the add bills, you've got to create purchase orders, and you've got add receipts. So if you wanted to add a receipt, that's it. That's how you do it there. And so what else we got? You can have a look at total cash in and out for a period. So you can see, oh, hang on a second, we've spent far more than we've earned this month. What reason is that? And you go into it and you can see where you may be overspending, for example. It could be very useful. You can have a look at your contacts and see who you owe at that current moment. For example, this one here says ABC Furniture, you owe 1,200. You could have a look and go, okay, is it something that's due yet? Oh, it's 14 days overdue. Maybe I need to speak to the supplier and get a payment to them. But then, for example, you might have someone who owes you, and you go, oh, basket case owes me, Mary Munn, let's have a look. Okay, that's overdue by 13 days. I'm going to chase them now. And then you can give your client a phone call, and it's very easy to see who you owe and who owes you from your pocket, very quick, very fast. And it can help you on the go day to day. So there you go. There's a little insight into Xero on the phone. For any more tips and tricks, just contact us either on our telephone number 01582 766 711, or go onto our website where you can start a live chat there. Thank you for listening.